Alright, so if we have finished all the statements, let's look at the last statement, that is the delete statement. So if you click on the table, you already have delete here, just click it and it will be gone forever. Okay, so before that we insert something and we'll delete it. Okay, we'll insert one record, so test go, and then we browse it. So we have this record here. You can select it here, say delete, or you can directly say delete here. Okay, that record is deleted. We insert one more time. Okay, so you can see the sequencing, the 4 is gone, it won't start from 4, it will start with a new number. The test and test, again it's here. Now look at SQL, okay, and look at delete. Okay, so delete from this table, where, which one you want to delete, which record you want to delete is a condition. So I want to delete saying employee ID is equal to 5, right? This is what the last statement looks like. Let me go back. Okay, so I want to delete when employee ID is 5. Okay, so go SQL. So delete from this table where employee ID is 5. So the test record will be deleted. So when you go browse, you know, that record has been deleted. Okay, so it's very easy. You can even delete it from here. Let insert again, test go, and you just click on delete and this will be deleted. And you can see the query here, right? Delete from employee db dot table, that's the notation of database dot table, where employee id dot emp id is equal to 6. So this is basically the table name dot field name, okay, is equal to 6. So when this, basically the where condition is choosing which record to delete, right? And then the delete from is saying from this database, from this table, on this field, when it's equal to 6, delete those records. Okay, whatever is the matching, it doesn't delete first record. If there are 10 records matching the same condition, 10 records will be deleted. When you say okay, it will be deleted, gone forever. All right, so that's all. You basically do the delete operation. Okay, here is a syntax to delete it. You have to always mention where clause. If you don't mention where clause and you just simply do delete from this table, all the records will be deleted. Okay, and then it's high chances you cannot get those records back. Okay, so be careful when you do delete. Always make sure you have a where clause. And before you actually delete, a simple trick is we do a select first. We understand what is the where clause. Let's you do this. You want put that same delete where condition here in the select and see how many records we fetch, and then we'll apply those where condition onto the delete condition. Okay, it's like on safeguarding your query, wherein you first do a select query to see whether what is your condition, see what are the records you want to delete, then take that where condition, put in the delete, and then do the operation of delete command. All right, so that's all for this lecture on how to delete the records from the table, and I'll see you in the next one.